last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air, and now we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time.
Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video I want to share with you in more depth of the Tame blackouts. So these are the blackouts you've probably seen in my previous video, but now with it installed and the back seats folded down. So if you haven't seen that video, this is the covering from Tame. It has blackouts for the roof glass as well as all the windows for all the doors and your windshield. So it is designed for you to be able to have privacy inside your vehicle, whether you're taking a nap or you're doing camp mode in a campsite. So it is designed with high quality from Japanese fabric. It's from a recyclable material, I believe, and it does not smell or seek out any chemical substance. So you don't have to worry about any of those. I'll post a link where you can find them in the description of this video for up to 15% off. And also check out their roof blackouts. You can actually take out the blackout and it becomes a mesh. So 2-in-1 is a nice layout where it's custom fit for your Tesla Model Y and 3 vehicles. And you can actually attach a tent, one of the attachable tent, to a Tesla vehicle and make it into more of a bed with a lounge in the rear tailgate. And the best part is it's very compact and you can fold it away along with a attachable tent, which we are also doing a giveaway. So check out my previous video on these attachable tents from TopFit. But back to Tame, you can't even see through the windows from the outside, and it does have a anti-UV ray reflective, so it keeps the heat out. Up to 80+% of heat will not enter the cabin. Definitely ideal for camping or just cover up when you're parked outside often. So check them out, link in the description of this video with a promo code for up to 50% off.